Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated like button similar to the one in Instagram. Let's create a view called like button with just a plain button in the body. We need a variable to hold the Boolean value which tells us whether the like button is on or off. I'll call it is liked. When this button is pressed, we will simply toggle this value. Now for the label, let's add the heart image. We will just add the standard system image named heart. Give it a tint and increase the font to make it larger. Now I'll use the isLiked value to show a heart without fill when isLiked is false and a heart with fill when isLiked is true. And I can do the same for tint. Add a red tint for the like state. So here we have a like button that toggles between the two states nicely. However, the animation is a bit boring, so we need to add a bit of scaling effect to make it more interesting and similar to the Instagram like button. There are a few ways we can do this. Instead of adding some complex animation to this single image, I prefer to have separate images for both states and animate them separately, which is much simpler. I'm going to move this image to a function so that we can reuse it for both images. Now let's use this function to create two separate images, one for each state. Let's put these images inside a Z stack. We want to scale the images based on the isLiked value. So let's add a parameter called show. It will determine whether to show this image or not. This looks much better. Let's add some opacity as well so that the image becomes less opaque as it gets smaller. One last thing I want to add is some damping effect so that the heart springs out. So let's add this animation called interpolating spring. You can change the stiffness and damping as you like. This is the look that we want to achieve. That's all for the like button. There are 3 different ways you can make this button reusable. You can create a view modifier, which applies this effect to any view, or you can create a button style that does the same thing. And thirdly, you can just pull out some of the variables here from this view so that we can reuse it with different images. If you would like me to show you how to make this reusable, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more SwiftUI animations, you should check out some of my other videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!